good afternoon, good morning, good evening to you. It's all depends where you for the watch me. If you are just watching this channel for the very first time, you're highly welcome. Please hit that subscribe button for me. Turn on my notification bell so that anytime I post any new video, you go always be the #1 person to get all the notification, guys. For those my returning subscribers, oh Bob, you guys are the real MVP. You guys are the VIPs that I have. Thank you so much for always coming in to support me. I am so grateful. Thank you so much for not wasting so much of your time. Let's dive into today's topic. Oh my god, eh? I'm sorry guys, this topic I want to talk about, the thing dey somehow funny. It did somehow. I don't know as I want to explain now. I know just as I want to explain now. But anyway, make I just explain as it just did to me for body. You understand? You understand IB. Hey, now about our sister Regina. Oh, what do you guys think? About the saga where they go on between her and Chika Ike. Oh my god. The thing, I don't go through over. I say no, I must talk about this. I must chook my mouth put. If I not chook my mouth this side, wait till I go gain. Of course, guys, I not go gain anything. No, that is why make I bring a my platform so that me and my family people will go gather dissect the matter to our own taste. We go digest it to our own taste. You understand that it be? Regina Daniels, mama don't come up. He don't begin the brain brimstone and rain, everything turn down, all of them. They say now so he go deal with Chika Ike if you not leave a picking husband for an Edwoko. Guys, I wanna see this issue so. I wanna see this issue. What you not think? It's too early, or be not too early for all this? To me, it's too early, oh. Because they never ever start to break. They never ever start to break at all. This is the early stage of the marriage. It's too early for all this kind of saga, marriage saga, and all that for Regina Daniel. This one now waiting people they talk about when she newly when she won't marry this man. You understand? One, the man already get 5 wives before. You making it the number 6. That's what people be saying. Because I know of one parable where be say old people they always make say if old man sit down, they look up, they see something, you will be small picking. Even if you climb tree, your eye not go see that thing. That's in a parable. Okay, now parable now that thing be. So that parable, I see they use an up till now. So people they see and say, this small girl, you too small for this mistake where you won't make. So how can you want to be a 6th wife of a man that's already married to 5 wives with kids? Not be say kids, not they even don't always senior you. They full inside the marriage. Then you won't choke your head put. People they see all this vision for you, this small picking, you not take. You say no. May they leave you. Your mama want talk. Your mama said this small picky na they see so. No be small picky. He mature where. He get mature brain. If he's speaking saying he won't marry at the early stage, what is she go do? You see now? It's too early. It's too early to begin to come out. Say, Abi you won't naked swear. Abi you won't go juju. What you won't do? It's too early, auntie. Abi mommy. It's too early for all this. It's too early for your pikin to start to run 440 for marriage. How old is the marriage? You want the run 440? I believe, yeah, she come meet people there. Now so they run 440. Now so they run 440. When she gets on for back of her mind, say she never starts. You understand? She never really starts. Why? Because the man ready. The way me observe that man, he ready to marry more than 6 wives. So she never just starts. Okay, wait, I want to ask one question. Now, because say she know Chika Ike, now he make her the attacker. What if na total stranger? Where she no know? What is she go do? You go attack her? She no see other wife for there before she go shook her head put? Not be person be the fifth wife. Anybody attack her? Mama Regina, you not think all these things before you carry your pikin chook for the marriage? You not think all these things say they go come occur? Una never start. This battle una wan start to fight. Una go learn how to do taekwondo at the corner. Mark Tyson have been a taekwondo because una go fight well. Because the network way me everybody know na cheerful giver. Na cheerful giver, my people. How na cheerful giver. He ready. He they donate. Na cheerful giver. You understand? He never stop. He never ready to say he won't stop to marry. So, Mama Regina, you be able to say na your pikin fine pass. He get the one way fine pass your pikin now. When Nedwoko go see, even the one they never born, Nedwoko ready to marry today pikin. He ready to marry fresh blood where they use the drop today. You see, so may you ready to fight. Ready to fight. It's too early now. It's too early. I don't listen to this matter. Listen to her and say, I need to shook my mouth. I need to shook my mouth inside. I need to, if I not talk put, I not go get anything. You understand? I need to shook my mouth put. Guys, Nedwoko never ready to do, he never ready to pension at all. He never ready to call it a day. He never ready to stop. You understand? He see they marry. You understand? So how long now? How many fights? Una want fi fight? How many fights? How many people una want fi fight? You understand? My people use they make one parable say, King with the first beat first wife, you will be the second wife with the come. That king the back of door, they wait for you where they enter. You understand? Hand, if you don't understand that first parable, hand where the first carry the first wife. You will be the second wife where they do like they pull left for up, they come. That hand, that same hand, they wait for you once you enter. You are welcome to the club. That's so it be. You see those rest wives, so they no attack you, they no answer you. You know why? Why? Because they know their husband say, as you come, shenkers. Another shenkers where shenkers pass you, it go still can't join you. That is why they no attack you. They cross their finger. They look you like this. You just say they not fit talk or they not get mama we go talk for them. They get, but they just cross their finger. They look you like this. Say, what did they do me? They go still do you. You understand? You know, Mona not bother to the fight too much fight because never ever, the thing never ever start. The rain never ever start to fall. It never ever starts. Truth not say me they not talk among you. Understand? Percy don't marry. Sister Chikaike. According to as I read the thing, understand the thing. Chikaike don't fit date the man. They don't fit date together before. He don't like leave the man for some time. For some time, and the man not digging. So, but Nana, Chikaike and the man come be like say they won't come they relate. Chikaike they post the man picture and video for Instagram. You understand? So now come they bring all this rain they come so. You understand? But Sister Chikaike, you know say the man don't marry to your colleague. The same colleague like you for profession and before what they call him. You supposed to step down. Not only colleague, your kid sister. You supposed to pity say, I beg, make I just I don't fair chop this food. I don't fair chop this food climate. Make I your mercy for her because she be small baby. Make I just leave her. You supposed to leave her for your kid sister. All this second they drag husband with a small picky like this. Me no see, you no call for because you don't chop one, you don't clean mat. You supposed to your rest like that. Sister, how you see her now? And then you give her a thought. Give her a thought. Everybody they beg you. Try make you step down for her. Step down for her. Mona pardon me, oh, the thing funny. You understand? It's funny. if you go fit step down for her, step down for her. Now your kid sister, just step down for her, make she for enjoy her marriage as she won't enjoy to the fullest. You know, so you don't see take your own share for your side, enjoy, make she for enjoy the marriage. I beg, Mama Regina, all those things where you don't dey talk, all those things na cast today. You are just casting. You just bring thunder and stone for nothing, because your pikin go meet people for there. He go meet wives for there. She not be the first. You understand? Not be everything you can't say now. So you want the fight, can't fight for your pikin for a marriage, because all those people where your pikin go meet for there, they themselves still get mother. And if all of their mothers say okay, now so make they come out, come the fight for their pikin, you know where your pikin go land? They go kick her sharp, come out for the house. You understand? So guys, make I just leave all these things to now. I wanna see this issue. I beg Muna help me check and balance. I see the hot, so Muna help me check and balance. I wanna see her. Me, I call this girl, as my own younger sister. I call her in person, say, Regina, this thing that you are about to do so, I no support. Because not be today you go reason later, reason future. You too small, for fights. Many wives, you too small to come dey face all this kind marriage matter. You too small for all this kind of thing. She say nah, life for anything she like she go do. She love the man, she won't marry the man, her mind is made up, she is mature, nothing what she not talk. Now Uko, Muna help me advise her. You never reach to start to the fight too. And another advice I won't give Regina mama, since he say he won't start to, that is he and Chika Eke go pull left for one trouser now, they will begin the matter. One advice I won't give her. Make he go join taekwondo. I whether na taekwondo how they call this thing, or may go learn to do boxing, so that the thing go if they fight go win. You understand? Because the fight many. Now only Chika Eke now where she know now she dey talk about. What of another girl swear be say then the self no even know where the network they go after, because as far as network is concerned, he never retire, and as far as this Nigeria is concerned, be far and wide nation is concerned, all eyes are still on the man. People see they say if this man can't toast them, they go agree. You understand? If this man near me, I go agree. People see they talk such. People see they pray for such. So what of the guests who no know where the man they go out with? So Mona ready to fight nation. Mona ready to fight the full country. Mona ready to fight, because the fight will be real battlefield now nowadays. So Mona ready to fight where? Mona ready to fight. That is my own talk for this matter. Or now I get for this matter. My people, I bet Mona help me with this matter. Mona help me dissect. Mona help me weigh and check and balance. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys in my next upload. Ciao. Bye.